Okay, so my laptop, in fact, I have a Lenovo laptop, and like it's less than, I would say, about 8 months old, probably about a year old now. But the charger broke about 6 months ago, so I just ordered this. It was a 65 watt. If you look on your charger, it can tell you how many watts it is. I looked and it was 65 watt. So I just ordered this. I got it in today. One thing I noticed is that it's nice and long. I like that. This seat, it feels solid, this little box. And it's compact. Now let's make sure it works. One thing to notice is the C cable right here. Right, you got a nice light here. That's pretty cool to show you it's working. But look, each one of these tiles I think is 18 inches. It's got to be a good 15 feet. It's a lot longer than my old one, which is nice. It's got a nice solid grip. You know, one thing I noticed, it does stick out a little bit. I wonder if it's going to hurt it in the long run. You see that? You know, my old one I think went right in. So I wonder if that's going to hurt it for durability. But as of right now, let's see. As of right now, it's charging up. Right? Full power. So far it works. I can use this for my phone because low enough wattage, I believe. 65 watts is good, but definitely works. The only issue I have is that this, I believe, is a tad too long. Well, it's better than being too short, definitely, but it's just something, you know, I would going to keep an eye on. I'll update the review if it breaks or something.